What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on MULN stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then we'll continue with the fundamental news and I will show you another potential red flag that might be very harmful for Mullen Automotive. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point, and I've told you that this asset forms some kind of bullish falling wedge, and as you can see I drew this line in order to show you the potential path of the price action, and I've told you that we should retest this range of resistance and then we should go lower to retest the range of support. Probably we might hit even the range of support at $0.546, and from this range we have a possibility to hit higher targets with the breakout with increasing volume. And as you can see, we had two attempts to break this range of resistance and it hit exactly as I predicted this price point. And then we have this movement to the downside, and for now we are moving south. And definitely this asset is still quite technical. I don't want to say that you should invest in this asset. It is just a fact that this company is a fraudulent company, and I proved you multiple times that I am right. And that's why you have to avoid, in any cases, investing in this company, but you might try to catch the trades, short-term trades with this asset. So, what should we expect next from the technical standpoint? I will show you in just several minutes. And for now, let's continue with the fundamental news. First of all, let me show you that since I made my previous video, they published two recent news. One of them, basically both of them was published on September the 1st. One of them is titled Mullen signs partnership with the WaterGen to launch water from air solutions for EVs. And the second one is OC Business Journal, Mullen turns to F1 champions to help design. And let's start with the latest one, and if you click right here, you will be redirected to this article that was published on August 25th, and basically this article is nothing else but this news from August 25th that Mullen announces collaboration with Team Rosberg Engineering for vehicle chassis development. And definitely it's quite tricky to understand why did they post another news, basically the same news that they posted previously. It doesn't make sense, but it is what it is, and it proves again that this is some kind of fraudulent company. And let's continue with this article, with this news. And let me show you that Mullen will be the first to launch and implement WaterGen in its entire lineup of electric vehicles. And I found this company, WaterGen Incorporated, and here it is, here's their official website. And on May 20th, 2021, they published this news. And let me show you this. WaterGen participating at EcoMotion 2021. And they stated, WaterGen presented the first in-car atmospheric water generator at EcoMotion Week May 18th to May 20th, 2021. The new feature provides fresh, clean and safe drinking water from air for drivers and passengers while on the go. And definitely it is might be very useful for the vehicles that will be sold in some kind of desert areas. But let's be honest, how many of Mullen, if they will have these sales in general, how many of them will be sold in the desert areas? I don't think that it might be many. And second question. Why in the world they start to implement some useless features in this vehicle before they even start the production of these vehicles? It also doesn't make sense. And on top of that, this feature will increase the price of this vehicle and will decrease their efficiency rates, their range, their performance, and so on and so forth. And definitely this feature, this option for this vehicle is basically useless, especially when we cannot see any vehicles on the roads right now. So, and let's continue with another news that might be very, very harmful for this company. First of all, let me show you this. We are on Google, and if you try to find Nasdaq delisting rules, you will find that if company trades for 30 consecutive business days below the $1 minimum closing bid price requirement, Nasdaq will send a deficiency notice to the company advising that it has been afforded to a compliance period for 180 calendar days to regain compliance with the applicable requirements. And this is the delisting rule, and if the company will be traded for more than 30 days, probably in a matter of next 7 months, if they won't regain this compliance, the company will be delisted from Nasdaq. And definitely right here you can see that for now Mullen is trading below $1 mark for more than, let me show it to you, for more than 38 days. And in my opinion, in a matter of next couple of weeks, we will see this notice, and definitely this will drive the price of Mullen even lower. And if it is not enough for you to make a decision not to enter your investment position with Mullen, let me show you another article. We are on Investor Place, and this article was published, let me show it to you, was published 1 day ago, and it's titled Mullen Automotive stock offers very little to electrify investors. And the key points are following. Mullen Automotive is back in the spotlight, but still not a compelling investment. Positive developments notwithstanding, this electric vehicle maker continues to have too many concerns/red flags. With high quality EV players out there with more favorable risk to return propositions, there is little reason to consider this stock. And the most important part, in my opinion, and I also mentioned it in one of my previous videos, that they have to dilute their existing shareholders because they have only about $100 million cash on hand. And definitely it is not enough to start their production, and definitely in this case they have to collect more money. And they have basically two options how they can make it. First of all, they have to dilute the existing shareholders, or they have to collect a convertible debt. And with the convertible debt, they have a bad experience because the number of their existing shares, let me show it to you, in just the past few quarters, number of existing shares outstanding went from 23.9 million to almost 500 million shares. And definitely it is not very good news for existing shareholders, and that's why you have to be very cautious with this asset. On top of that, they didn't respond to all of the accusations made by vocal short seller Hindenburg Research, and definitely this also might be a huge red flag, because in my opinion this company is a fraudulent company. But from the technical standpoint, we still have this setup, and let's continue basically with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, I still stand on my position that you shouldn't enter your long position for the long term. Basically, you shouldn't invest in this company, but you may try to catch the next trade, and probably this trade might bring you about 60% of potential profits. And definitely this movement to the upside is not set in stone, because multiple times I saw the breakout below this range of support on this bullish pattern, but still we might have this movement to the upside, and in order to catch it you can accumulate your position all the way down, basically to the range of about 54 cents, and your stop loss should be a little bit lower, about $0.517, and in this case risk to reward ratio will be basically your potential losses might be up to 8%, but your potential profits might be up to 60% to this level. And definitely it is a very risky trade, and on the market there is a lot of opportunities that are less riskier. But if you want to enter this position, you're free to do so, but remember that you should put your stop loss at the very tight range. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants, so you better go live it up.